You gotta push, pray, and keep the faith. You gotta push, pray, and keep the faith. Hey, you gotta push, pray, and keep the faith. Hey, that's the only way to win the race.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm back with another video, y'all. A hair video, twist and chat, y'all. And I'm going to be talking about insecurities, my insecurities. You see, I ain't got no makeup on, cause I said, you know, I ain't gonna be fake getting on here and put no makeup on, cause I do not wear makeup when I'm doing my hair. That's fake. So y'all gonna have to accept me as I am, y'all. My acne was one of my insecurities. My nose, you see, it's huge. That's one of my insecurities. My feet, I got big old feet, y'all. Wear size 9. And for a female, you know, you're like, oh, that's big. I used to be insecure about that. But now, I don't care. Look, I don't wear makeup to do my hair. So why get on here being fake with y'all? Talking about some authentic and blessed TV. Then put on makeup. Now, and the product I'm using, y'all, is Texture ID, the most hype product. And y'all, it's the bomb. This is my second time using it. I'm doing a twist now, y'all. You see, I already did my little braids and stuff. So I wanted to talk to y'all about just loving your insecurities, and if you can fix it, you know, not medically, but naturally fix it. Like, I can't fix my nose. Well, I can, but I'm not. I'm not going to go get my nose shrunk. But I'm working on fixing my acne, and I got an acne routine coming soon. I can't fix my big feet. I'm just gonna have to deal with it. So some stuff you can't fix, y'all, and I just want to let you know, like, don't let your insecurities get you down and be embarrassed. You're not the only person in the world with a big nose. You're not the only person. You might got big eyes. You're not the only person in the world with a big eyes. You might got a big forehead. You're not the only person in the world with a big forehead. Yep. If your hair's dried out, y'all, spray a little bit rice water. This rice water with some orange peels in, y'all. It smells so good. If you make some rice water and you can't stand the smell of it, it stinks. I'm talking about it stinks. And you don't want people to be like, ooh, what's in her hair? Put some orange peels in it. We saw somebody on YouTube do that. I don't know who, but a lot of people do it. Or they put essential oils in it. And you know, I said, I'm gonna try it. We tried it. And y'all, smell the citrus. Smell the citrus. But y'all, what are some of your insecurities that you suffer with? Comment down below and let me know. And we can grow to love our insecurities together. Because God will want us laughing at people. I don't even think God will want us to go get our stuff fixed. Because to me, I look at it like this. If God made me like this, why go change it? Obviously, he wanted me to have a big nose. Obviously, he wanted me to wear a size 9. Obviously, he wanted me to have acne. To suffer from acne. Yeah. Okay, y'all. I am finished. And I'm going to let my hair air dry for, I don't know, till 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, 11 o'clock. You know what I mean? Probably 12 o'clock. Because I got videos to film, so I will be back with the takedown. And we're gonna see the results, y'all. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's the next day. I already separated most of my hair. I just wanted to get on camera and show y'all these last two. And what you're gonna need, put some all on your fingertips. So when you separate, you can eliminate some frizz, not all, but most, because frizz is gonna happen, especially if you got type 4 hair like me, kinky hair. It's frizz problem, and frizz is a good thing, y'all. So let's get straight to it. In definition. Oh my God. Just unravel it in the opposite direction and untwist. And voila. Should have nice, bouncy, beautiful curves. And how you separate, just take it, kind of loosen it up. See where it's naturally separating it? And then the ends a little frizzy. You can take a little oil and turn it right back up. So you can keep that definition. And I don't go too crazy, y'all, on the first day with separating and fluffing and picking, because it's gonna get big as the days progress. You know, natural hair, thick, kinky hair, it expands, y'all. So you ain't gonna do the most on day 1. But day 2, though, you gonna take my wide tooth comb. If you got a pick, take your pick. And just, you know, gently, don't comb it all the way through. Just lift your root. You see this? Just lift your roots. Don't do what I used to do, y'all. Just lift. Lift. Gently lift. And at the back, I fluff up the middle section so it can have volume. And then I do the back downwards, in a downward motion. Then I flip this side out, pick this side out. And then I take my hands, if I'm still not satisfied, I take my hands and lift the roots. And that's what I do, y'all. This is my go-to hairstyle. It's easy, it's simple, and it's cute. And at this point, you can do your edges, but I'm not. Make sure I, you know, don't go too crazy, but I like mine to be big, but not too manipulated on day 1, because like I said, it will get bigger as the days go. And how I preserve my hair, y'all, I don't have my hair ties, I don't know why, but I just put them in, you know, different pineapples all around like this, all around my head, and put my satin bonnet on and go to bed. But like we say at this time, push, pray, keep the faith, and I'm out.
You gotta push, pray, and keep the faith. You gotta push, pray, and keep the faith. Hey, you gotta push, pray, and keep the faith. Hey.